Welcome.
Got to continue on.
Welcome to the saga. The what do you call it? The R31 Wagon saga. Ultimate reliability to ultimate. I don't know what you call it. Shit.
You know why? Because it doesn't have a single head on
I need
it.
a sosh, man. Yeah. So.
Is this head stock?
So it's a stock port, stock valve. It's had a recode in its life.
It looks clean as.
Yeah, I had the holes drilled out. It's been relieved for those cams, so they must be big.
Which cams? Those cams or?
No, the one I can't
these?
use those.
So what are these?
I don't know. I tried looking at the spec. I could never find them. So
What brand are they?
I don't know.
Because it's like engraved on the end by hand.
Yeah. So we're doing an ultimate.
Budget head now.
Ultimate. Don't know what we're doing.
As long as it drives.
You know what? I just want this car back on the road. Oh, it's gaking. These are off my 180. I don't know. It'll still make good power. It's just not going to make what. Like all the effort we've done is.
Is this ready to go?
Yeah, ready to go.
Oh wow.
I had it ready for me because I bought their head done from someone.
This one?
Yeah, so then I just modified it to what I wanted because I knew I was going to put it on a 1/2-inch head start engine. I got it decked. I had it checked. I had a repair done.
Ooh.
Even a there should have been a see.
What happened?
Someone
Mangled the shit out of that
They
hole?
tried to fix it themselves and they were not successful.
Wow.
So we had to weld the corner in.
Wowza.
Yeah, so conveniently I had this ready to go.
Chuck it on before work today?
Oh, I've only got 40 minutes. I don't think I can.
Oh, I don't know, I've seen you.
40 minutes is pushing it. I don't know which side of the head it's on. Okay, they sort of all feel okay. Shimless. So there's no shim? What cylinder was this for? I don't know. I didn't figure it out. I'm a little bit lost. I don't really know what I'm doing.
Don't say that.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'd like to think I know what I'm doing quite well. Actually, you know what it is? Don't experiment. Do not experiment at all.
Oh, well, that's the whole point of this head. You were figuring it out. Prototype.
Prototype. You want to see the size difference between these? I reckon they notice. Actually, they look pretty big then. What I've got going back in. They look like they've got really big duration. See how it's got more of a rounded tip?
Mm-hmm.
When you've got more of a rounded tip, it'll hold the valve open longer.
What are these?
That's the cutout for head bolt. Because if you had like stock head bolts, you can leave the whole cams in and you can get the head out.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So nothing you can see?
Well, there's no weird wear. I can't see any sort of valves hanging down, but the problem would come and go.
Mm.
Definitely got something damaged here. Got a chip there, and she's not turning, she's stuck. Okay, Bubby. Okay, Poppy. Talk to me. Yep, she's stuck.
How the hell do you even get that out?
I'll get it out. I can't tell if it was hitting. It might have been. It doesn't look like it was. Might have to pull the motor down. Turn it around.
Oh yeah, seen it straight away.
No, not that. That's nothing. I'll show you. Can't remember which
This GoPro's too shit.
Was that
I
the
need it on
same
my
one that
phone.
hit before? That's what I was just looking at.
Oh, sorry, I couldn't tell because it was blurry. Yeah, it looks like whatever it was.
That wasn't the same one as before?
No, it was, but there's more than one piston looking like this.
That wouldn't be the piece from the bucket.
I can't imagine it getting in there. Give me that.
Fucking rip it.
No.
Is this thing on?
It's on.
Is this thing on?
You're missing all his content.
I know.
This is his content. He's got a 5-minute video to film.
He's legitimately...
I gotta turn this unboxing into 20 minutes.
I don't know how we're going to do that. I can't believe...
You know what I don't like? There's no Mitsubishi part number on them.
Part number for people who are playing at
They're
home.
probably...
Maybe reps.
It might
Yeah,
be a
they're probably
box.
wrapped.
It's probably a box within a box. What's your thoughts, Daniel?
I think you're right. I reckon they're fake door trims someone's
Oh,
made
it's not a
in
box.
China.
Oh no, they're reps. They're reproductions.
Oh,
Where's the Mitsubishi sticker?
it'll be on.
Dude, they're fake.
No part number. Oh, it's written. That's a Mitsubishi part number.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You just- So open the plastic.
No fucking way.
Me and Daniel get excited for turbos, he gets excited for door trims.
Wow.
Papi.
Pretty cool.
So what's it meant to have, that felt?
fabric and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
How much was
Yeah,
that?
mine's got like a hole here, tweeters, this is missing.
How much
It's
was that,
starting to
Chris?
peel on the bottom. You don't want to know.
$3.50 a pop?
I wish.
What? Really?
Way more
Don't you know
than
what you
that.
spent on these?
How much were they each?
All four was $3,000.
So how much was the two? Oh no, so $3,000 for four.
Yeah.
You spent $3,000.
No, because I only bought two.
So what, 1,500? And you didn't want to buy rods and pistons for 2.2?
Yeah, but this excites me more.
Really?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Put it in. Air's happening.
$3,000. I'd wrap that car up in bubble wrap and never drive it again. Dude, we used to buy full running Silvias for that much.
Are you pumped on it?
So pumped. So pumped. You know what? I can appreciate stuff like that, but for $3,000, I'd rather do a turbo kit.
Yeah, but listen to it. This can't fucking make it.
Bro, that car would be worth $100 million. Now what? We put them on.
Don't put them on.
I wouldn't want to lean my leg on the thing.
And I'm those people that open the door and like kick the door open with your leg.
Oh, you know what I'm going to do next time I get in your car? You know when people get in like with their shoe?
I'm gonna
When
bubble
they
wrap
get
it.
out? Next time they get out,
I'm never driving that car.
like this.
Not excited. Excited.
That's not what Chris is.
Oh, Chris. Chris. No, Chris is there. Say hi to Chris.
Yeah, we'll show you the car.
And Daniel is doing, so there's going to be some R35 GT-R stuff in this video too. So this is the shop 35 that you saw before, stock, and then again with the wheels and stuff on it, and that's copping all this stuff. So alpha downpipes, mid pipe, carbon intake kit, actuators. What even are these? What's this? Oil cooler replacement, and what's this? Expansion tank. Oh. And the creme de la creme mine steering wheel. This steering wheel is probably worth more than my ute. Is that it? I thought there was going to be a lot more than that.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Whatever's on there is what I'm doing.
There we go. Alright, so we left Troy last night after. Oh my god.
Oh, I think the motor's, he said it's coming out. Well,
Ooh, Jesus.
wow. It's fucked. It's hit on everything, look there.
Fuck, it didn't look that bad in pictures.
Yeah, well, a lot of the guides went through.
So
That's
valve
what damaged
guides
the
dropped
turbo.
in and smashed.
Well, they broke. They
Oh,
didn't
bits
drop,
went
they're all
through.
broken.
and took out the turbo with it.
Obviously, yeah, that's what took.
Oh, where's the turbo?
It's funny because I rang him. As soon as he showed me the turbo, I rang him because I put the turbo on.
Ooh, god damn. Oh.
Fuck, bro.
Man,
And let me get a lot. I'll show you that.
that is real bad. So,
Oh, this side's okay. It must be the exhaust side.
how do valve guides just disintegrate?
That's what we don't know. It's
Where's the turb ski? Here.
it has to be something that's so they've obviously gone through
Wow.
the exhaust.
So bits would have been coming flying out of the exhaust.
Probably. See, I rang him straight away.
I
When
feel
he,
so bad for Troy.
you know when he sent us the video of that?
Yeah.
I rang him because I put that on.
Oh, you thought
And
you
I
did
was
something
like,
wrong.
Oh, did I maybe put it when I put it in the housing? It was
cocked it.
cocked or something?
Wow. That's bad, man.
Yeah. Well, he said the motor's got to come out because it's got to change at least 2 pistons.
Can you use those LS
it's-
pistons that
remember-
got left over?
Yeah. Because it started to, remember he said it started to breathe?
Yeah.
And it's probably done sort of what yours has done, like it's damaged the ring then.
Pop the bonnet. We gotta bring the mood back up in this video. Is there anything better than a canary yellow, tan trim, manual, VL SL turbo? That's a question.
With a single sosh.
With a sosh. This engine bay actually came up really good. Rebuilt head, cam, head studs, metal head gasket, cooler piping, cooler. The other one didn't hang low enough. And on the dyno. Wow!
Oh yeah, especially with that camshaft. Yeah, I'll send it
So it was a couple of days after we got the head off Troy's car to see all the damage. And Daniel's come early, and look at this. It's not even 8 AM yet.
We're only at 7.
So it's ready to come out.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's do it.
Let me just. What a fucking. I think you're struggling to find a bottom end. Obviously, I'm pretty sad thing, but.
Wow.
Okay.
And what was finished on the GT-R? Is the steering wheel on? I just want to see the steering wheel. Ooh. That's a nice steering wheel. So dumps, everything done. And did you wash it? Oh no. Oh, sick. Cool. I've got like 3 hours of footage over the VL, the 31, my engine, the 35. Ah, poor thing.